Hi guys, thank you and welcome again to my channel 𝐂𝐚𝐧𝐭. So today I've just got a very simple assignment for you where I'll be showing you how you can actually make your Facebook posts or Instagram posts look this fancy with different font style from the default font setting or from the default font type. So just to start up, head on to your Google and search Unicode text converter. This one here. I'll leave a link onto the description box, so don't worry. The moment it loads, you'll see the empty search button box here where you can actually type whatever post or comment you want to make onto your Facebook or Instagram post. Like for example, let me have this one here. Already created some. So the moment I click on to show, it will load the different font names and their styles here. Like you can see the different font names here. We have the circle neck, full width. They're very fancy, very stylish, and after all they are still readable. So from here you just choose that which is appealing to you. You can use for example, so let me use this one here, or I've used this one before. Let me use this one. It's kind of normal font, but then let me use this. So you just copy, head to your Facebook or your Instagram post, and then paste it there. And then paste it. The moment you paste it, you can see how I can change the different font styles from here. I mean the background to maybe something. Let's see that one. You can see you can choose it. Let me choose a different font that is quite different. Like, let me see this one here. Right, you can see the font is there, very different from the normal. But the moment you start writing, it goes back to its default font type. So anything that is written here is the default font type for the social pages, that is the Facebook or the Instagram. But if you want to use a different font style, go to Unicode text converter, write it there, let it show, choose from the different styles that you like, copy and paste it onto your post, and there you have it. And again, support this channel by subscribing, like the video, share. Thank you.